Well, we've made it to the RV show. We're parked right here at the campground, and now we're going to check it out. Today's Industry Day.
I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV.
Hello everybody, and greetings from the 2018 Florida RV Supershow, Tampa, Florida. This is the vendors area. You're never gonna see this empty. Well, like every year, one of our favorite RVs are the leisure travel vans, and this is of course the Unity corner bed. It's a Mercedes chassis. As you can see, we have the kitchen. I think they've redone some of the cabinetry, but this is very nice countertops and the corner bed. And the bathroom feels pretty ample, actually. I mean, got a little bit of headroom here. A 6-foot tall person wouldn't fit in here, I don't think. But it's decent enough. Of course, I do believe, and this is when my one complaint about this, the sink is rather small. We have a ceramic toilet, very nice.
How are you?
And how are you? And I'm assuming we have a Truma.
Yes, exactly.
In
Truma's
this,
on board.
Aquago or the
Aquago.
Aquago, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, that's an excellent unit. I put one in my trailer.
Did you?
But
Great.
Yeah, I replaced what I had. And
Great.
It works quite well.
Great.
Well, let's go to the next RV. Okay, next we're going to go into the Unity Island bed. Of course, it also has the Truma Aquago, and it was it's in the 130s. And here in the front we have this table that you can make it bigger, so you know the both of us could be working here. And if we have company, there's room for 4 of us sitting. There's an extra counter space here right next to the galley, which is your typical leisure travel van galley with the trash can here in the back, which this used to be easier to grab. There you go. And awning windows, of course. There's storage here. I do believe this is the TV. Yep, that's a TV that comes out. And here's the Dometic furnace, and it has ducted air conditioning. And I like that they're keeping it simple with this light switches and not doing the iPad control center kind of thing. It's like a tablet, convection microwave. And here's an island bed, which is really, really cool. It's a little high, but it does have storage under it, so that's really cool. Of course, there's drawers all over the place, and his and hers wardrobe. There's another TV here. This is the shower. The shower is on the large large end. Has very nice here shower. Yeah, I mean, I'm 5'10", and I still have a little bit of clearance here, so that's not bad. It's a little narrow on the elbows. There's of course the clothesline, very nice. Oh, and when you open the shower, it kind of gives you some privacy back here in the bedroom, which is cool actually. And then we have our toilet and leisure travel van's signature extra small faucet there, sink, and I don't want to break anything. Okay, the medicine cabinet is decent. You can showers. Yeah, a lot of storage here, and it is a China toilet. It's not one of those cheap plastic toilets. This is a possibility for us, of course. And here we have. Oh, that's pretty deep, pretty cool. And let me see what else do we have out here. Oh, we have a storage here. Let me see if it's open. No, it's not open. But I presume that goes to the underbelly, under the bed. And it doesn't have a window in the back. It's very cool. These leisure travel vans are very nice. It doesn't have a backup camera. Let's continue going. Coachman Galleria. It's based on the Sprinter chassis. The 2 extra seating capacity here. It has the new trend that and this is a black and white one. Then you control everything through a screen. Has a TV here that I am assuming swivels. It has induction, cooktop, a lot of counter space here, and twin beds in the back. Solid, very nice cabinet. Oh, it does have a convection microwave here, and I'm assuming this is a compressor-based refrigerator since we're having the induction cooktop. Yeah, this is compressor. Okay, cool. So I'm assuming this one. Well, I guess it does have to have a. It has a Truma combi, so that's combi is for a furnace and a water heater, I believe. So it does. It probably has to have some kind of propane system as well. Well, this one has a propane stove. Very simple, actually. Amazing, everybody's going with the Truma. This one has a combi. And this is on the Ford Transit chassis. So, let's continue. Little storage down there to put like shoes, maybe. Your chancletas. Camper van Kevin.
Excuse me. I just want to say we follow you.
Well, this is the BT Cruiser. Let me show you around. Here we have the cockpit in the front. It is a Ford. I do believe it's a Transit. I'll have to double check now when we get to the outside. Here's a TV, storage. So this is a Class C without the cab over bed in the front. And here we have two sofas. But I do believe this one becomes a sofa bed. So this could become this whole thing could become a sleeping area. And of course we have this huge table. And I was thinking maybe we can sit side by side on one side and lift the bed on the other. And that would work out for us. It has a huge sink. Look at this, how deep. And that's one major complaint we have about many RVs. The sink is usually not big enough for all your pots and pans. And the drawers are not the sturdiest one. It has a Suburban standard 3-burner. Has this, I do believe, is a convection. Maybe not. No, this is not conventional. This is just a regular microwave, but we have a real oven down here, so that's good. And here, to be honest about it, the drawers don't feel like the highest of qualities. And here we have the bathroom, the tiny little sink. The shower is very spacious, though. I mean, I do fit here. I'm 5'10", and yeah, there's a lot of clearance. Although, same with the drawers. Everything feels a little bit flimsy. So I don't know. This is looks like cheap plastic. Same with the Dometic toilet. So is it a Dometic? Or is it a Thetford? I do believe it's a Thetford. You have the Dometic 3-way fridge, standard stuff. So let me find out how much this is. This is the BT Cruiser. Okay, this is 87,000, which is quite reasonable. Although, as you see, it's not like the best finish in the world. And here we do have all the your command center, and here, well, that's a pretty decent size wardrobe here. Very nice. So that was the BT Cruiser here, 5210, and it's quite short. This is probably 25 feet or so. It looks so empty today is because it is industry day, so there's very few people on the show. I'll show you tomorrow. It's going to be a whole different story here. Let's continue looking at RVs. Okay, this is a Thor Synergy 24 SP here. It's on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. We've seen it before. Very nice seats that swivel around. There's a spot to put a table here. There's another table here, which this is a slide, by the way, which could give us a chance to both work at the same time. We have a TV here, kitchen, extra counter space. Very nice deep sink. It looks like RV manufacturers are getting the message. Oh, this one has an induction cooktop. but it is still a 3-way refrigerator, so we do have a propane system in here. It doesn't have the Truma indications. It's probably not a Truma, but it's a regular Norcold. We've seen them before. And here in the back, this is another slide, but the bed is usable with the sliding, which is a plus. It's kind of a fall island bed and a thing. You have a wardrobe here, and this is a accordion style, division, just in case you get to sleep in the sofa one night. And this is one of these. How does this work? Oh, here we go. It's pretty spacious, and here we have like a interesting. It is a ceramic toilet, and it's a corner shower. I don't know. It's interesting, but when you open the bathroom door, you get like a little privacy area here, so that's cool. Okay. Thor Synergy for you guys. It does have ducted AC. That's good. There's an extra sleeping area here in the front. All right, let's continue. This is probably 27 6S, which is probably 27 feet long. I don't have all the specs, but I will look them up. This is a gas engine class A. Does have a bed up here. I think they're taking a clue from the Thor Ace. Very ample kitchen here, maybe too ample. This is wood. This is not a Korean countertop or anything like that. Regular domestic, standard. It's very tall. I mean, this is I think it's probably like almost 7 feet clearance. A regular refrigerator is the bed here. This. For the price, it's very nice. Look at that. It's $118,000, and that will be MSRP. I'm sure you can get a better deal. Oh, it's 995 RV show price. I don't know. It's another idea. It's called the Terry Classic, and it has a kind of a classic look to it. Let's look inside. Let's see what it comes with. Here, right by the entrance, there's this corner bed area. It does have a privacy curtain that you can close, and some wardrobe and storage, emergency exit. Pretty cool. All your controls are here. But check it out. It's huge inside. That's not a slide out. That's a regular. This is your bathroom with a corner shower and regular. It's a plastic toilet, just like ours. Here's a couch, more storage up here. I wonder. There's a lot of room up there to put stuff. Maybe you can put a microwave unit up there, because there's no one. Oh yeah, there's a convection microwave there. Let me see how deep this is. It's not very deep, but it's large, so you can fit a lot of pots and pans. A lot of prep area here, and then a little dinette. It's pretty cool. One odd thing that the sofa is here, and the TV is not here. The TV is there, facing the bathroom door. So I don't know if that's the best placement for a TV, but it's very tall, very nice.
It's like retro. Oh, so sorry.
I'm just coming out. It does have a huge window in the front. Very nice. Let's continue. See what else we can find.
If you have enjoyed traveling with us, make sure you are subscribed and check out my other videos. Also, share it with your friends, spread the word, and leave me a comment. Now, if you really liked it, you have a chance to show your support at patreon.com/travelingrobert. As always, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the road.